guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Simone here, and today in today's vlog, I have some errands to run today. I have to pick up my grandmother. She wants to do a couple of little things, so every now and then I'll pick her up, drop her to wherever she wants to go, and she will go shopping. So today, that's what I will be doing. I also want to go grocery shopping for Tuesday and Wednesday because on Thursday I'm going to California, so I don't want to buy too much stuff that I'm not going to eat. Also really exciting, guys, I ended up finally buying my nightstands. The reason why I haven't bought them is because
shipping times are awful.
And the ones that I want were from Pottery Barn. And so I was looking for dupes, and all the dupes cost more than the actual Pottery Barn nightstands. So I was like, okay, you know what? Then I was looking for it, and it said that it was not going to be available until March. Finally found it for January, shipping time January. So I'm so excited. I bought them. I just splurged on it, called it a day. They were very expensive, but they will be worth it, and they are an investment. So yay to that. Vlogmas is coming up in like 3 days, so I'm preparing for that. I'm gonna try to actually stick through with it. Enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me around wherever my grandmother drags me to, and me running errands as well. All right, so come with me. So we went to the first outing. We're still driving around. There's so much traffic around this time. Like, I hate being outside at this time. Like, it's 3:53, especially like going to the bank or running errands, because I just feel like you'll be in traffic longer than you will be in the actual store. I need to go to Sprouts, and then I also need to go to any kind of sneaker store or store. Oh my god, maybe DSW. Because I don't have any gym sneakers. I'm trying to get my fitness on, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to be... Oh, Lord.
When are you going to the gym?
I'm getting an LA Fitness account, and I'm going to go to the gym. It is. How much is it? Yeah, this one is cute. It's the one I want because it's so trendy right now.
You want to do the DIY thing?
No. She wants me to get these things, guys. I'm not even a fan of this. Instead, she wants me to get one of these gnomes. I think not. These are so hideous. And why isn't there a black one? Oh my god, this is the cutest. I have to put this in here.
Get one of these and put it in front of the house.
I beg. I don't want pink. That's so like not my style.
I beg.
Could you not?
I might want to make banana bread. Should I get this? I don't eat banana bread.
When the hell did Home Goods start selling sinks? How much is that?
If you left your mind, $100 for a garbage bag. I killed them.
You mean?
Bing bong.
So I want some like beige drapes that match my bed head, the bedroom. Actually, this is not bad. This is not bad. And I think it's blackout. Not bad, but it has a stain on it, so I can't even get that. I really like this linen one, but it's stained again. It's too stained. That one was perfect back there. I'm so fucking mad. What is this? What's happening here? Ew.
Is that an oatmeal?
It's like an oatmeal coming. It's like the perfect, like my bed. Yo, everything in here is dirty. I don't get it. Alright, I also need a mirror. So let me look for that as well. Oh my god, this chair is so cute. Oh my god, is this cute? I like that. My TV stand. This shit broke. You know what, Home Goods? I don't know what's happening here, but that is broken. This is actually really cute. So it looks like this shop was a fail. Something just broke. I heard somebody break something. I'm going to just keep shopping around until I find what I'm looking for because it's not in this Home Goods. Oh, they have some really good gummy bears. This is a cute little chair. No, everything in here is literally freaking dirty. I ended up leaving that at Home Goods with candy. Okay, nothing for the home, but these are so damn good. Do they have ranch here? Do they sell ranch dressing in Sprout? I want ranch, but I want like real ranch. Not the fake ranch. And I also am craving oatmeal cookies, so that's actually what I'm looking for here. Also seeing this girl made this protein powder, protein pancakes with bananas and strawberries, and it looks so good. So that's also what I'm looking for. If I could just find it. Did you see any oatmeal cookies over here? Oh, I do, but why is everything chocolate chip? Who even eats chocolate chips? See?
Oh.
Put it in.
Or unless you want this. Oops. This
Wait, it
one.
says pregnancy tea.
No, that's pregnancy tea.
Which one tastes better?
It's the same thing.
All right, give me that. Or a healthy cycle. All right, we'll do this.
Okay.